So welcome students. So इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है f is a function defined from real numbers to real numbers and f of x plus y by 3 is equal to f of x plus f of y by 3 and f of 0 is equal to 0 and f dash of 0 is equal to 3. So these are the three informations which are given and you're asked to check whether f of x by x is differentiable on R, f of x is continuous but not differentiable on R, f of x is continuous on R, f of x is bounded on R. So effectively you're asked to discuss the continuity and differentiability of this function f of x and f of x by x. So let us try to see the solution. First, this statement is obviously wrong because f of x by x जो x equal to 0 पे defined नहीं है, hence you have a breakage at f of x for f of x by x at x is equal to 0. x equal to 0 में defined नहीं है, so obviously x equal to 0 पे continuous नहीं होगा, continuous नहीं तो differentiable नहीं होगा. So f of x by x is differentiable on R is wrong. इसके बाद f of x का हम continuity and differentiability discuss करेंगे. So first what I do is I'll take this equation and put y is equal to 0. So y को 0 put कर लेता हूँ, क्या आएगा देखिए. f of x by 3 is equal to f of x plus f of 0 by 3 and f of 0 is given as 0. So this implies f of x by 3 is equal to f of x by 3. अगर x by 3 को t मान लिया तो x by 3 को t मान लिया तो ठीक है, x will be 3t. So this implies it can also be written as f of t is equal to f of 3t by 3. So जब भी आपको इक्वेशन का यूज होगा इस इक्वेशन को यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Now what I do is let us try to analyze the continuity of this function f of x. ठीक है, let a number a belongs to R, कोई भी नंबर a लेंगे. Now what is limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h, f of a plus h. So अगर if I can prove this to be equal to f of a, then my function is continuous at x is equal to a. अगर prove नहीं कर पाया तो it may not be continuous, ठीक है. So let a belongs to R, limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h क्या होगा, ठीक है. So इस इक्वेशन को एक और बार थोड़ा सा और एनालिसिस करता हूँ. x के प्लेस में 3a पुट करता हूँ, y के प्लेस में 3h पुट करता हूँ. So let me put 3a in the place of x and 3h in the place of y. So equation क्या हो जाएगा, 3a plus 3h by 3, that is f of a plus h is equal to f of 3a plus f of 3h by 3 हो जाएगा. So f of a plus h के प्लेस में वो वाला सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेता हूँ. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 3a plus f of 3h divided by 3, ठीक है. But it's given that so f of 3h as h tends to 0. So अब लिमिट फाइंड करना है, so डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करके देखेंगे. डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो आप डायरेक्टली सब्स्टिट्यूट करके आंसर लेके आ सकते हैं लिमिट्स का, ठीक है. दैट इज इक्वल टू so limit h tends to 0 f of 3a plus 3h by 3. So denominator is non-zero, so h is equal to 0 put कर लीजिए. That is f of 3a plus f of 0 is given as 0 by 3. That is equal to f of 3a by 3. f of 3t by 3 is f of t. So f of 3a by 3 is f of a. So what we have proved is for some a belongs to R, limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h is same as f of a. इसका मीनिंग क्या है, f of x is continuous for any a belongs to R. So f of x is continuous on R तो सही है. So दोनों ऑप्शंस में continuous है, बट डिफरेंशिएशन भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. इज इट डिफरेंशिएबल, अगर डिफरेंशिएबल भी है तो ये वाला सही होगा, नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल है तो ये वाला सही होगा. So what is the meaning of differentiation? फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल क्या है, so f dash at any point a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h. So this is the definition of differentiation at x is equal to a. That is equal to limit h tends to 0. So what is f of a plus h? यहाँ f of a plus h में जो substitute किया same substitute करता हूँ. So f of 3a plus f of 3h by 3 minus f of a divided by h. ठीक है. So if I have to simplify this, मैं क्या करता हूँ देखिए, LCM ले लेता हूँ. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 3a plus f of 3h minus 3 times f of a divided by 3h. So that is equal to, so आप देख सकते हैं f of 3a is same as 3 times f of a. So f of 3a and 3 times f of a are getting cancelled. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 3h by 3h. This is nothing but f dash of 0. This is nothing but f dash of 0 and it's given as 3. So that is equal to 3. इसका मतलब है for any a belongs to R, f dash of a is always equal to 3. That means the differentiation of f of x is a constant. इसका मतलब f of x is a linear function. So आप function भी derive कर सकते हैं whose differentiation is 3. So आप f of x is equal to 3x plus some constant, and this constant comes from the boundary value. F of 0 is equal to 0 दिया, so k should be equal to 0. So f of x is equal to 3x is the function which satisfies this equation. ठीक है. So f of x is continuous as well as differentiable on R. So option C is the right answer. So ये मत सोचिए कि f of x by x किया तो मुझे 3 आ जाएगा. So वो तो differentiable है on R. So वैसा मत सोचना है. So f of x by x is equal to 3x by x. This is equal to 3 if x is not equal to 0. Undefined if x is equal to 0. So f of x by x का जो definition है, this will be the definition. So 3 at every point other than 0, undefined at x is equal to 0. So सर graph draw किया तो आपको f of x by x का, so you get something like this, ये 3. So at this point my function is not differentiable, neither it is continuous. So option A is wrong. Option C would be the right answer. Thank you.